South Georgia was once a centre of the British whaling industry. Over 175,000 whales were killed here across a 50-year period for their meat, oil and bones. Since the station closed in 1964, nature has regained a foothold. So this is a male fur seal, and it's really important you stay still and calm when they come running towards you. But what a beautiful creature this is. There is some very special wildlife to see here, like the endemic South Georgia pintail, imperial cormorants, southern giant petrels, king penguins, a small colony of elephant seals, and much more.